Hi guys, we are here now in the international airport in Cebu.
We're waiting
We're
for check-in. It's not
yeah,
yet open.
it's
Hindi
like
pa open.
it's still 3:12. It's opening at 3:20.
So our flight is 7:30. So probably a check-in counter will open how many hours before? Daddy?
It will open 3:20
3:20 daw.
for
Uh we are going to Doha and then Doha to
And then si
Barcelona.
Rhea,
It's over here.
naiwan ang bag sa kotse. So kailangan
Yeah,
namin
guys.
balikan ang car kasi naiwan niya ang bag niya. Ay naka, si Rhea, umpisa pa lang may naiiwan na. So, naiwan ang kanyang pocket money and ang cellphone. Okay, we'll get back to you later. Hi! So, we're here now at the lounge. Ang tagal natagalan kami sa check-in because, I don't know, ano ba yung problem? Parang nagkakaroon sila ng problem sa system. Pero at least, nandito na kami and mainit lang sa lounge. Parang sira ang aircon. We're now eating pansit. And then si Daddy, noodle, dahil gutom na kami. So, sobrang tagal ng check-in.
So, welcome to our travel vlog. So, basically, we are doing this primarily for our own records and consumption, but we're taking you along into this adventure. It will all be, kumbaga, honest talaga to na opinion namin. We will share yung research namin. Of course, maybe may mali sa research or what, but it's part of the adventure. So, we're here at the airport right now. Honestly, medyo underwhelming or parang kulang sa utilization itong Cebu Airport kasi parang wala masyadong flights. So, sana the people in the Department of Tourism and the DFA will promote more flights here in Cebu. Kasi sayang yung airport. So, yun lang.
Okay, so we're just gonna eat. Dan will come back when we're boarded.
So, our plane just arrived. It's about 1 hour late, but we're glad it's here. It's a Boeing 787-8 and looking forward to riding it. It's our first time to ride Qatar Airways.
Hi, we're back here. We have already boarded, and here are my seatmates, Raquel, and Ria. And then Daddy is seated far away at row one. So it's our first time here in Qatar Airways, and we are flying business class. They have already. We're still going to Davao, and then I think we're going to fly for 45 minutes, and then 16 hours or 12 hours going to Doha. So for now, they're not serving any food yet, but they gave us drinks, welcome drinks. They gave us our pajamas and slippers and juice. And then the kids are eating popcorn. Yan. So medyo mahirap pag may bata kasi hindi naman din ako pwede sa other side katabi ni Raquel kasi may harang. So it's more accessible here if I'm here. Although medyo apart kami, at least makakatayo ako to help her with when eating, drinking, ayun. So now we're going to fly to Davao. Bye!
Guys, we just got off of the plane. We just arrived in Doha. Yeah, it's like 3 a.m.
Nobody here. There's nobody here.
There's no one here. Look.
That's our plane, by the way.
That's our plane.
Empty.
Guys, we just got off of the plane. We're just arrived in Doha. Yeah, it's like 3 a.m. There's no one here. It's just empty. Guys, we just got off of the plane. We just arrived in Doha. Yeah, it's like 3 a.m.
Look, there's nobody here.
There's no one here. Look.
That's our plane, by the way.
That's our plane.
Empty.
it's just empty.
It was a smooth ride. We were able to sleep for like after mealtime, and then they woke us up for breakfast. The kids actually skipped breakfast except for me and Rizzo. And what can you say about the Qatar business class?
Their service was very good and they're very attentive.
They're kind.
They're kind. Anything you ask, they will give it. Hindi sila masungit. Even if it's already about to land and we even ask for snacks for the kids,
They won't fight.
they gave it.
So this is so nice, guys. Imagine this wall has water flowing down on it, and we're in the middle of a desert. So this is a display of power and wealth, no? And this is just the aesthetics of the place. So this airport is really amazing. So we are in the central lobby of Qatar International Airport, and this is basically where the terminals converge. So whether you fly via terminal A, B, C, D, or E, this is basically the rotonda, so to speak. So again, just a caveat, my facts might not be as detailed or as accurate as I want it to be, but based and research, that huge teddy bear was actually an art, and it was bought by I think it was the king or the prince of Qatar for millions of dollars, and instead of having it placed in a private exhibit, he chose to have it here in the center of the airport so that it can be admired by everybody. No, so it's truly very interesting and amazing at the same time. The kids really liked it, and we took a picture immediately. We actually walked very far to be here from our terminal, and it was worth it.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa lounge. It's so big. Parang 2 floors siya. Ayan, may elevator pa. So, ganun siya kalaki. Ayan, may pataas. And this is the lounge area. We're gonna go up the elevator. Sa taas daw yung restaurants. Okay, we're just gonna eat and then get back to you. So, hi guys. So, after how many hours? 4 hours or 5 hours of layover in Doha, we're on our way to Barcelona. So, just a quick tour of magkaiba yung airplane configuration kanina no Cebu to Doha. Kasi kanina may pinto. Ngayon, kanina walang pinto. Ngayon may pinto na. Ayan. May door. Tapos yung seater, may divider. Binaba lang namin. So, kailangan lang pindutin tong up and down sabay para mag-up and down itong divider. So, kung hindi mo kilala yung katabi mo, syempre dapat nakataas. Since katabi ko yung baby ko, ayan. So, binaba namin. And then, ayun. So, ito yung business class suite. Tapos they gave us vanity kit or amenities. So what's inside the amenity kit? My lotion, my face cream. Ayan, hindi ko alam anong brand to. flat fries, my cologne, and my lip balm, and then socks and ano ba to? Socks and earplug and eye mask. And then ito yung kay Raquel. And then magkaiba yung sa akin, iba, parang pang lalaki. So the same lang din yung laman, socks and eye mask. And then yung mga lotion and cologne. And then meron lang siyang ito yung charger. Walang mga cable, dikit mo. So dapat bago yung cellphone mo para ma-charge mo siya dyan. And then wala siyang USB port, Type-C lang. So yun yung issue ko kasi yung mga charger ko USB port. So hindi ako maka-charge. Wala rin akong dalang plug. And then meron siyang small compartment where you will find your water and earphones. And then may mga compartments sa sides. Ayan. Siguro kung may valuables. Ayan. If you have valuables, and then my seatmates are at the back waiting to be served, eating or watching. We have not yet eaten, pero kinuha na nila yung order namin, so we're just waiting for food. So right now we're watching.
Hello, welcome to day 2. We are now in Barcelona.